If you're planning to renovate your home, redesign your interior, or simply love keeping up with global design trends, this video is for you. As we move into 2026, one color continues to dominate interior and exterior design around the world: dusty blue. This is not a bright blue, it's not navy, and it's definitely not a cold or overpowering tone. Dusty blue is a soft, muted blue mixed with gray undertones, creating a calm, elegant, and timeless look. Designers love it because it feels modern yet classic, stylish yet comfortable. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of dusty blue. Number 1. Benjamin Moore, Wythe Blue. We begin with Benjamin Moore, one of the most respected and influential paint brands in the United States, known for its premium quality and timeless color selections. Wythe Blue is a classic example of a perfectly balanced dusty blue. This shade is soft, refined, and gently muted with subtle gray undertones that keep it from appearing too bright or overly saturated. Because of this balance, Wythe Blue feels calm and sophisticated rather than cold or flat. It works beautifully in a wide range of spaces, including living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, and other shared areas. The color is especially well suited to traditional and transitional interiors, where it adds elegance without overpowering architectural details. Benjamin Moore is also well known for offering many variations of blue and blue-gray tones. If Wythe Blue feels slightly too light or too muted for your space, it's worth visiting an official Benjamin Moore store to explore similar shades within their extensive catalog. Number 2. Sherwin-Williams Upward. Next is Sherwin-Williams, another major American paint brand that plays a significant role in shaping global color trends. Their shade Upward is a light dusty blue with noticeable gray undertones. This color feels airy, calm, and very contemporary, making it a favorite among designers who focus on clean, modern interiors. Upward performs especially well in spaces with plenty of natural light, where it enhances openness and brightness without becoming stark. It is commonly used in bedrooms and open-plan living areas because it promotes relaxation and visual clarity. Looking ahead to 2026, Upward continues to be a popular choice for minimalist, wellness-focused, and serene interior design concepts. Number 3. Behr Blueprint. Moving on to Behr, a brand known for combining affordability with modern, design-driven color palettes. Blueprint is a mid-tone dusty blue that leans more noticeably toward gray. This gives it a grounded, urban feel that works particularly well in contemporary environments. Blueprint feels modern, balanced, and slightly industrial, making it an excellent choice for apartments, creative studios, and modern homes. It provides enough depth to stand on its own while still remaining neutral enough to pair easily with other materials and finishes. Keep in mind that color names and codes can vary depending on the country or Behr collection, but Blueprint remains one of Behr's most recognizable and iconic dusty blue shades. Number 4. Valspar Palisade Blue. Next is Valspar, an American paint brand known for its wide selection of versatile and well-balanced color palettes. Palisade Blue is a soft, dusty blue with noticeable gray undertones, giving it a calm and understated appearance. The color feels grounded and sophisticated, making it easy to integrate into a variety of interior styles. Palisade Blue performs beautifully in both natural and artificial light, maintaining its muted elegance without becoming flat or dull. Like many Valspar blues, it offers a comfortable balance between cool and warm tones. Valspar provides multiple variations of blue-gray shades, so it's always recommended to review their local catalog to find the exact tone that best suits your lighting and overall design concept. Number 5. Farrow Ball Borrowed Light. Now we move to the United Kingdom with Farrow Ball, a premium paint brand celebrated for its depth of color, traditional pigments, and refined finishes. Borrowed Light number 235 is a soft, airy blue-gray that feels both elegant and timeless. One of its defining qualities is how it subtly changes throughout the day, responding beautifully to shifts in natural and artificial light. This color works especially well in bedrooms, nurseries, and classic or luxury interiors, where a gentle, calming atmosphere is desired. Borrowed Light is an excellent example of a dusty blue that successfully bridges historic charm with modern sophistication. Number 6. PPG Paints Symphony of Blue. Next is PPG Paints, also widely recognized through their Glidden product line. Symphony of Blue often appears as a dusty blue match across various professional color matching systems. The shade is soft, balanced, and highly adaptable, making it suitable for a wide range of residential and commercial applications. PPG paints are frequently used in architectural and professional projects, so their dusty blue shades are designed to perform consistently under different lighting conditions. Since exact color names may vary by region, it's always best to consult your local PPG or Glidden catalog for precise matches. Number 7. Dulux Elusive Blue. Now let's look at Dulux, a truly global paint brand with a strong presence in Europe, Asia, and Australia. Elusive Blue is a dusty blue with a very subtle hint of mauve, which adds warmth and depth to the color. This slight warmth prevents it from feeling too cool or sterile. Because of this balance, Elusive Blue is particularly suitable for bedrooms, calm living spaces, and Scandinavian or soft modern interiors. It feels gentle, refined, and easy to live with, making it an excellent long-term design choice. Number 8. Dutch Boy Mapped Blue. Next is Dutch Boy, an American brand known for offering trend-forward yet accessible colors. Mapped Blue is a medium dusty blue that feels slightly more expressive than softer pastel versions, while still remaining muted and sophisticated. This shade works well for accent walls, creative rooms, and modern family spaces where a bit of personality is desired without overwhelming the room. While codes and collections may vary, Mapped Blue represents Dutch Boy's approach to modern, approachable dusty blue tones. Number 9. Little Greene Celestial Blue. We return to the UK with Little Greene, a brand celebrated for its dedication to historic colour research and authenticity. Celestial Blue is a dusky variation of sky blue, originally discovered on a rare surviving paint colour card from 1807. This historical origin gives the shade a sense of depth and character that modern reproductions often lack. Celestial Blue works beautifully in both interior and exterior applications, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate classic design with genuine historical roots. Number 10. Benjamin Moore Ocean Air. To conclude, we return to Benjamin Moore, a brand widely recognized for its premium quality and timeless color selections. Ocean Air is a soft, airy dusty blue with delicate grey undertones that create a calm and tranquil atmosphere. The color feels light and refreshing, yet grounded enough to avoid looking cold or washed out. Its ability to gently reflect natural light helps spaces feel more open, clean, and serene. This makes it particularly well-suited for modern, coastal, and relaxed transitional interiors where comfort and balance are essential. Ocean Air pairs effortlessly with crisp whites, warm neutrals, and natural materials such as wood and linen, making it a versatile and enduring choice for both designers and homeowners. So as we move into 2026, it's clear that dusty blue is more than just a trend. It represents calm living, thoughtful design, and timeless beauty. Whether you choose Benjamin Moore, Sherwin-Williams, Farrow, and Ball, or any other international brand, dusty blue is a color that will never disappoint. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments, which dusty blue shade is your favorite? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.